Welcome to today's episode on Quest for Truth. Here we decode the metrics to deprogram the masses. Medical culture so there are a lot of matrices are echoes. There are a lot of programming word elites, which is the Masonic complexes, the Illuminati, or Modeye FM. Only the reality, but what is really inside, one of it was earthquake because it was being programmed on the HAP machine. You ask me, then HAP your machine be the elites my programming in the space they cause a lot of catastrophes when they are trying to either lobby for one or two of their causes. So they can use this HAP machine to cause tsunami or earthquake. Why? HAP is a higher frequency active aurora research program. That is the full meaning of HAP. You can search it on Google if you want to know a little bit about the machine which is called HAP. Alright, NASA is using this machine with CERN. There is another machine called CERN. That is the machine that they use to create portals for the entities, that is the UFOs, and that is the aliens to come onto this earth. Now, earthquake in the sea, me just will be actually videos now echo viral maybe, but maybe I know watching ANK-CESTORS because earthquake is here. Camera ain't mean exact. Camera ni be shaky, but all of the earthquake videos are trending on social media listening now. Camera, which means your position a try be correct, but as now also. The same good phone the phone will shake. But all the videos circulating about this Syria and Turkey earthquake, there have never been a camera shake. So it means there was a programming and there was a matrix inside it. Alright, earthquake is what Turkey. And I'm so many people be free Ghana. The bobo ni and the Christian a true affirm a share in a crown coin, and the people be a can symbol. Medical culture said there's a matrix inside it. As often be break but read the matrix decoded. Your room says so yes, your room correct if some matrix be man pa. Okay, earthquake is exactly 117. UTC. Ghana say you use your time zone or your time fault line based on GMT. And 117 in the Masonic or in the matrix decoding, 17 means to kill. So when we type kill inside the matrix or inside the geometric calculator, kill is equal to 17. So you see it there. Alright, so let's type earthquake also. Earthquake in matrix decoding, earthquake is equal to 107. In numerology, we don't count 0. So which means earthquake is also equal to 17. Kill is equal to 17. Earthquake is equal to 17. Which means there was a program of mass murder. The day or the exact day now earthquake in this year, it was the actual day so Grammys and that was the 65th Grammys Awards na Los Angeles, California. And do you know something? Los Angeles, California is also equal to 107 in geometry. What are you telling me? Earthquake is equal to 107, kill is equal to 17, and Los Angeles, California in single reduction is also equal to 107. So they know what they were doing. This was a programming caused by HAP. This wasn't an earthquake. Yeah. When we say over Turkey and Syria, as a geometry is equal to 65. Was it a coincidence? Or can we call this one a conspiracy? No. 65th Grammy on the same day, it's happening between Turkey and Syria, and Turkey and Syria in geometry is also equal to 65. God damn. This world elite are doing something that we don't know. Yeah, me ya dream no maybe basis but it's a reality but not a reality. When in Bibi, Mama Sancho Bibi, he said the 2023 Grammys saw more awards go to Beyonce Knowles. Beyonce, Sadano, edition of my year, now Grammys no more awards in Bibi. She won more awards than any of the artists. Not only were her 4 wins and the most night, but it is also pushed her to the 32nd in her career, making her the winningest artist of the academy. He broke the record of Crypto.com Arena, which is the home of Los Angeles Lakers. It's the same arena Kobe Bryant played his final game back in 2006. So Crypto.arena he break that record, and that arena Kobe Bryant also born the last final match. And when you type Bryant into the metrics calculator, it's equal to 26. We started dating at 26 because earthquake in AC 2nd February, 6th February. So she broke the record of Crypto.arena, and Kobe Bryant born the last match. Anna Bryant Bryant so obosha metrics is equal to 26. Anna earthquake so it happened on the 6th February or February 6th, which is February is the 2nd month, and 6th, which is 26. So Bryant is equal to 26, and the earthquake also happening on the February 6th, 26, 2/6. God damn, there is something going on. There is something going on. When we say Kobe Bryant, a free time now Kobe Bryant no February August 23rd 2019 and Kobe Bryant a free Friday August 23rd 2019 and Kobe Bryant free. When we say na aka 157 days am ko di birthday. Because Kobe Bryant name so yes I want 26 January, which is another 26 DM. And it's from time now we to time and ko be the birthday no 157 days and an aka. When you say 157 days or 157 is the prime number of 37. God damn. I'm at 37 me throw baby. Junction na earthquake ni see no baby earthquake ni see no he say the epicenter of the earthquake in Turkey at the Anatolian fault line was 37 degrees north and 37 degrees east. God damn. Let's say earthquake ni hit see no baby a free buy no baby a free bo ma shine na nipa dom wuye no na from 37 degrees north and 37 degrees east and a be shame and a cause of earthquake no. When we say February 6 37 days from the first days of the year, because January 31 days, February 6 6 days, and become 37 days. The word a little doing something you don't know. So 157 was the prime number of 37. And the earthquake hit on the fault line, the Anatolian fault line of 37 degrees north and 37 degrees east. And the day the earthquake happened was the 37th day of the 365 days making a year. God damn, they know what they are doing. Okay, so let's go into the geometry and let's search Turkey. When you say over Turkey, I said geometry calculator anymore, and also by 37. Okay, I didn't see on the fourth line, the Anatolian fourth line. Yeah, but fourth line, as also added geometry map, fourth line. When you say also by 37. Take for a so maybe and I know more person with the tree or mason. When you say Los Angeles now or more Grammys Awards, when you say about Los Angeles, as also edited geometry map and also about 37 in reduction. So the number 37 is doing something here. In all, the report says 37,000 people died in this earthquake that happened in the corners of Syria and Turkey and the Cyprus and that zone, the Lebanon zone. But 37,000 away. So the number 37 is doing something there. Bro, getting all these facts, you get to know that there's something going on. They are using the HARP machine, the SEN machine to lower our vibrational frequency so that they can control the masses. My name is SIKA, and here is either a conspiracy theory or a fact about the earthquake which happened in Turkey and Syria. Get to know the truth, because this video shows there wasn't any camera shaking. If the earth shake, I would be like this. So why wasn't that the camera wasn't shaking? Get to know the truth. The truth is right beside you. Yeah, so some of these earthquakes, the videos ni ebini. When we say asasano ashiki, but compared to Turkey one now I see recently, there wasn't any shaking of the camera. So just look at it. Yeah. And number 37 is equal to 3 plus 7, which is equal to 10. Angelina Jolie said, when I say God, you say 10. When I say 9, you say 10. Say 10. Say 10. Satan. Thank you. Any update you get to be informed of.